There are always some new people who ask me the same question. Why should I start investing? Well, I'm always saying, what sounds better for you? $100 or $0, $1,000 or $100, and what if you could turn your 1,000 into 10,000? I think it's definitely better than just zero. So if you are not investing yet, you will probably have only zero in future. And if you will start now, your possibilities are not limited. Hi guys, my name is Maria. I'm investing in the stock market, in cryptocurrency and in some real estate, and this channel is my online diary. Welcome! If somebody asks you why you need to invest, please send them this video. It might be your mom, your girlfriend, your neighbor, anyone, and I will make a quick explain for you. First of all, you don't need any special time to start investing. The best time is right now. But maybe you keep telling yourself, I will invest when I will have some more money or something like that. I'll tell you what, putting it off could actually cost you more than you realize. Experts estimate that 40% of people have experienced a financial loss due to procrastination. By waiting to invest, you could be missing out on some potentially sweet financial gains. So the sooner you will put your dollars to work, the more likely you benefit in the long term. It would be perfect we all could start investing at birth or in the early age, but to be honest, many of us don't think about it until we are well into our 20s or 30s, even though we may have opportunities to invest before that. Don't worry, you can become an investor at any age, but every second you wait, you are giving up your greatest asset, time. But remember, not only time your best friend in investing, but you also reap the benefit of something called compound interest. Here is how compound interest works. Your money makes money, and then you make more money on the money your money makes. To put it in a nice round numbers, let's say you invest $2,000 this year and you earn 10% return on that money. That means you make $200 on your original $2,000 investment. If you will continue investing this money and earn another 10% return on that, you will now have $2,420. That's how it works. By investing, you are giving your dollars a job to make you wealthier time after time. Investing can help you create that financial freedom, and there is no better time to start than right now. Also, you can invest in some real estate and cryptocurrency when you will have some knowledge and experience. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." There are so many different ways to invest, and most of them takes so little time to set up. For example, easy-to-use apps like Robinhood, Webull, online brokerage platforms from Fidelity, Vanguard, and so on. I'm also sure that some great books will help you in the beginning of your investing journey. I already made a list of some books for you. Just click on any link and enjoy your reading. And guys, please share this video with your friends. Let them know more about investing. Also, don't forget to join me in my $1 million journey. Take care, stay safe, bye!